Hello student, this is Om Prakash Yadav. We are teaching the what is the effect of partial balancing on the steam locomotive. So first thing I have seen that what is the variation of tractive force. Now today I am going to see that what is the variation of swaying couple. So first, already I have explained this picture in the previous lecture that what is this. So let us see that what is the variation of swaying couple. What is first? Let us see that what is the swaying couple. So you have seen that along the line of stroke. So there are two wheels. This is the axle. This is the axle. So along the line of stroke. So the cylinder is in the horizontal direction. So one unbalanced force is here, that is 1 minus CMR omega square cos theta. Another unbalanced force is along this in this direction here, that is what 1 minus CMR omega square cos 90 degree plus theta, because angle between the crank of two cylinder is 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay, so these two are separated by a distance a, and this is the mid center line. So there is a net unbalanced force of this primary unbalanced force along the line of stroke, along this mid center line. Why? Because they are separated by a distance a. So there are two unbalanced primary force which are separated by a distance a. So that will give a net moment about this mid center line. So the net moment of the primary unbalanced force along the line of stroke about the mid center line is known as swaying couple. So again you listen, what is the swaying couple? So it is the net moment of the primary unbalanced force along the line of stroke about the mid center line. About the mid center line is the swaying couple. So let us see, find out the expression for swaying couple. It is denoted by generally C. So this will be what? Take the moment about that. So moment of this will be that force into distance a by 2. So this will be 1 minus C mr omega square cos theta into a by 2. Look at here. If the moment of 1 is here, then moment of 1 will be in this direction. That is, moment of these two forces are in opposite direction. If the moment of this will be plus, then moment of this will be minus. So minus moment of this force, so that force into distance. So this is what 1 minus C mr omega square cos 90 degree plus theta into a by 2. Now let us see. Let us solve this. So this C is equal to 1 minus C mr omega square cos theta into a by 2. Now what will be cos 90 degree plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and this minus and the minus plus. So plus 1 minus C mr omega square sin theta. Mr omega square sin theta into this distance a by 2. Now net moment, this C is equal to, also this can be written as, so you take the comma, 1 minus C mr omega square. So 1 minus C mr omega square, or then this will be cos theta and a plus sin theta. अरे पापा वीडियो बना रहे बेटा, अभी आप उधर जाइए. पापा भी आ रहे, पापा वीडियो बना रहे. Okay, just my daughter has come. Okay, so 1 minus C mr omega square, this cos theta plus sin theta into a by 2. So this is what the net couple. So 1 minus C mr omega square, this cos theta plus sin theta into this a by 2. So this is the net couple. How this is acting? Let us feel that. Suppose this is your train. Train is going. So what these are doing? They are doing like that. So they are turning that train in this direction. So this is about what your vertical plane. This is about the vertical plane. This is like that. So its direction and the magnitude are changing like that, that. So also you can feel in this swaying couple. Okay. Now objective is that how to find out its maximum and the minimum value. So for C to be maximum or minimum, this is the constant, this is the constant, so this should be maximized or minimized. So for C to be maximum or minimum, d by d theta of this cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 0. So what will be differentiation of this? Minus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 0, or you will get tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. That is theta is equal to what? 45 degree. But let us see that tan theta is positive in what? So this tan theta is positive in first and this third coordinate. This tan theta is positive in first and the third coordinate. So what will be the value of theta in first coordinate? Its value is 45 degree. And what will be its value in this third coordinate? So 180 plus 45. So 180 plus 45. So this will be 225 degree. So this swaying couple will be maximum or minimum at an angle of 45 degree or at an angle of 225 degree. So let us find out the value of C at this two angle. At this two angle. Then let us see that what we are getting. So value of C at theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. So what we are getting, this 1 minus C m r omega square, this cos 45 plus sin 45 into distance a by 2. So that will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2, 2 gone. So what we are getting, it 1 minus C m r omega square divided by root 2 into A. So we can write A by root 2 here. So we are getting this 1 minus C. Let us check it. Let us check. So we are getting 1 by root 2, 1 minus C m r omega square into A. Okay. So I have written here 1 by root 2 because that will be easy to remember. So at 45 degree we are getting this. So C at theta is equal to 45 degree. This one. Now find out the swaying couple at theta is equal to 225 degree. 225 degree. So what we are getting, this 1 minus C m r omega square, this cos 225 plus sin 225 into this a by 2. When you solve it, you will get C couple at theta is equal to 225 degree is equal to minus 1 by root 2, this 1 minus C m r omega square into A. So this is, you can see that this is plus and that this is minus, this is plus and this is minus. So what we can say, what is its range? So its range will be, plus minus 1 by root 2 1 minus C m r omega square into A. So this is the range of swaying couple. Maximum value is 1 by root 2 plus and the minimum is minus. Means just they are opposite to each other. So you have calculated what is its a general expression, what is the maximum value, where this is maximum, where this is minimum, and what is its range. So this is what, this is for the swaying couple. This is like that. If this is your trend, so this is like that. This is like that when you see from the top. So they are turning in right and left direction like that. So this is just like what is steering. This is just like what is steering. So you can feel when you are sitting in the train, so you are feeling like that. You are feeling like. So that is what the swaying couple. Swaying couple. Okay, thank you very much. In the next lecture, I will see what is the hammer blow. What is the hammer blow? Actually, that is very important. That hammer blow is deciding that what should be the maximum speed of the train. So that will be Rajdhani or that will be local train. This depend upon how quality balancing was done. If the balancing is very correct, very good, very excellent, that train can be run at a high speed. Otherwise, that train cannot be run at a high speed. Otherwise, the wheel will be lifted behind the track. Okay, means accident. Means accident. So in the next lecture, I will see. Thank you very much.